Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo mimobi bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Martinami do a strike biom. Or den sembi aba betuga na endeko social media, especially Twitter. The name Nana B is trending at #2. Na Nana B dina trending ewo #2 no. It is because of the latest letter Martinami do was answer aba bonten abe release. Now I'll give you the brief of the whole thing. But answer ni abetu aso no. When infonina go ewo screen so no. So upe bia a very simple link no ewo description box ni mu. Click it. We yanda yankasi yebeye na ya shepe abramo. Uye nso a subscribe na click the notification bell on so. Uye nsa latest news be about wonsa ebeka. Quickly me konsem ni mu. Na answer na me read the no. You have the letter right in front of you. Answer na me read the letter no atremo no. Let me just give you a brief of the whole thing. Na yako say infonina na itutwa nti letter no hu but area obe say letter na pepa. Nini na ne say Martinami do say wobi aba be send ne message and nipako no edi na tem say wo ye 10 Jimmy for na nipako na wodi na tem say wo ye 10 Jimmy for no ono Martinami do use true caller o ma ne ba use true caller na true caller na wo use ye no edin a wo hu ye eye Nana B eba politics nso a eya nipa ba ko pe ni nim say ye friend Nana B a wo ye MPP wo mo National Youth Organizer. Inti Martinami do the messages na Nana B, they said Nana B a sending man no edidi na tem what the nini na wa tro nini na won kra tem anye easy. Just say Martinami do the me dem account. Martinami do the won you obi ayeka no. Sa papa no ko kan na nsem bi now we release a 2-page Martinami do. Release a 2-page letter. Now, let me just go through it and then read for you guys. Let's try to make some sense out of it. Now, mama what you say, so if I say you bought audio, now man saying na etia, your number no that screen as no. Just send it through WhatsApp. Me go fu bebre na me catch and crofo say Saturday and Sunday me dedicate yama subscribers now or more abroach no bebre na send me omo audios. Don't worry. So what send the audio, we'll review it and then we'll play it. But let's go into Martinami do nensema what they about. So I say what's your title now? I say, what has Oteni Jimmy for have to do with Ejapa Royalties Limited Transactions Anti-Corruption Assessment by Martin ABK Amidu? Now, I say on Thursday, November 19th, 2020, I received a telephone call on number 0500007614, which I did not pick the call to avoid receiving any verbal threats of harm to my person, and particularly because the number was not on my contact list and was unknown to me. The caller then sent me an SMS at 9:40 p.m. stating that Oteni Jimmy for then yesterday, 27th November 2020 at 3:37 p.m. the same fellow using the same phone number sent me a second SMS. Foolish man, kwasia like that. Woman me chemu. And therefore, we are very sorry. More fan chemi. Na the Martinami do eka and say number be friend number one store ye friend. Na esanse wo no Martinami do entokwa a woni President Akufo-Addo kunti no. Sisi a number bi a wo nim bi a friend na won peke because onim say ye friend na ye ba be di na tem. Inti one peke no ohun ya ne say number no the next day and a different day number na sending the message and number no friend no Oteni Jimmy for. Sasa bi wo ye Jimmy fo a wo ye teni ye kasa obi ye teni a obi a wo free northern region nti wo friend teni Jimmy fo na Martinami do say nipa ko ne friend is of sending a text a friend is awie ye no anso nipa ko ne ho endra a 27th November nipa ko no esanso sending the message and nipa ko no edi na tem say foolish man kwasia like that o ma me twem mu twem and then emsri no o so ma me twem mu twem Martinami do atro letter Martinami do. Hey, Alamisi. Now so they rough. I say, I showed the 2 SMS to a son who told me we could identify the fellow through an application on his phone. The Truecaller application identified the person as a Nana B. It I has na Martinami do say, well, you so application be a friend the Truecaller. Truecaller make on my phone so it is so be frame na me ni nipa ko ni number. Truecaller no ebe yi nipa ko ni din atre me say aso mesi e na wo frame What you say? Inti wase wo mu use true caller, ndo mu use true caller no. Edin a eba so eye Nana B. Na onim say Ghana ha say de sebe enye nipa ba kope ene efe ne Nana B. But esan say senya asem no e koninti amankrofo bebre na e direct no ama MPP for Nana B. Now, osi edin e ba ne Nana B, osi consequently at 11:04 p.m. I sent the owner of the phone registered on Truecaller the following SMS. Into I say, "Oh no, Martinami do sanso be sending message mani bakrono." Na message I will no send mani bakrono. Was say Nana B, Dombo, BK Adama, Tedam, Alhaji, Ibn Sali, Baomia, etc. are all Otafo. I am very proud and thank God I am Oteni. My mom died long ago, and I so thanks your civil upbringing. This is your second threat to me, and you must be ready to take responsibility for them. Good night with my regards. Inti Martinami do no ebe Troy Emma this said Nana B. Martinami do catch ni pakono say, wo friend me Oteni Jimmy for Matthias ye. Wo hwe MPP Incrophobia omo so abobra e wo MPP mu ti say Dombo BK Adama Tedam ne Alhaji ne Baomia mu nina wo mu so ye tafo nti se wo di matem se me ye teni a me da ase na me ma me wewu de dada me ma me wu ye no wotiti me yie em se wo no ya ntiti wu yie nti reply o send man nipa kro no na wo wie ye no e no say at 11:25 p.m. I received the following SMS in reply. Into no Nana B nesanso be receive another reply. Na reply we receive no say I have never threatened you, Mr. Amidu. What you did sought to undermine the integrity of the government. You haven't given us any evidence of any wrongdoing. I wholly retract all unprintable words against you. Good night. Nti ne bakono be katre Martin Amidu say, Martin Amidu sabe me threaten wo ye. But etem di die na me bedi watem no nini na ene say de wo ye no egu ma ban ho fin. But me hu ne say bone e na me ye nti wo de mesrew atem di die a me send ye bia no fa che me. O say nipa kono ne replier what they no. So this said Nana B no replier what so edema Martin Amidu no. Now was it would appear that in an attempt to confirm the identity of the owner of the telephone number, my son dialed the owner of the same number again. The Nana B, who mistook it for a missed call, just sent me the following message at 9:11 a.m. this morning, 28 November 2020, while I had almost finished composing this article. I say, GM said, I missed your call. Currently in class. If I can call later. I say currently in class. If I can call later. Have a blessed day. I learned this morning you have made available a response. I wish I can have it in my mail so I also read and abreast myself. Thank you. oabonsu32 gmail.com. Nebakono email I was sending my Martinami do no oabonsu32 gmail.com. It is important to bring this to the public attention because it is inconsistent with the rights and freedoms guaranteed under 1992 Constitution from discrimination and intimidation on grounds of ethnic origin of the people making up the Republic of Ghana. What has Ejapa Royalties Limited transaction and my resignation on principled, legal, and constitutional grounds got to do with the fact that I come from the former Northern Territories of the British Protectorate of the Gold Coast? Ehona Martin Amidu esanso etia so eka nsem bebre. Now, nsem ni na Martin Amidu eka no or allege was say one Nana B enu hunti ama Nana B din trende. Wo mo de asem no ebeye politics no. Wo mo de ye politics. But you see, there are some points ebi obi be say because Nana B ye madam for na me Nana B go school nti me defend Nana B in this matter dabi. Munim say asem ba dia me de ba bontin a I am as fair as possible. Now, I want us to note some points in this particular thing. Now, me pointing Yamadi at Remo, and then Ubehune say, indeed, Nana B and a trust idea nana. And Bra Martinamidu, a day reply no a buy no. Once I waka send Pacono SN no a reply bium nani Pacono eka say what you sought to do undermine the integrity. Now, what share response and Nipakono eka this particular line and American was say I have never threatened you, Mr. Amidu. We share the Nipakono eka na. You see the way the person is writing. The person is writing in shorthands. The Nana B I know, I have his WhatsApp number. Mene no group bakumu. Nana B and chat here, and this is on the personal level. Obia wonim Nana B bia ebenim. Nana B and chat and send a text message with shorthands. What shall send nipa? You no nipa kono throw you, and the mine so shall send nipa kono spelling no. De nipa kono throw e. And these are shorthands. But the Nana B I know, if you've really text with Nana B before, you know say, as far as I know, he doesn't text in shorthands. But if you be to me say just because of per se this year in world, no problem. No problem. Oh dear, you can say shorthands no crano, it's not a problem. Now, let me point your attention, let me draw your attention to something else. And Nipakone say, GM said, I missed your call. And Bra Matinami do say what try say what friend back no. Nipakone ka say what may say what no Matinami do call. And Nipakone so the two ka say currently in class. If I can call later. Nipakone ka try Matinami do say currently me wa class me frɛ later. Nana bi so am so minim no. About oba na so aye she. School ne there what they are two babies sisi and sisi a war campaign. It is Nipakone we because currently in class. It just tells say ebia na enye the Nana B we all know in the MPP, because the fact of the matter is true caller and I did who send Nipakone your friend in Nana B. Is it only one person in this Ghana your friend in Nana B and me bisao me kai embra me wo school KNUST madam fu bi wo ye NDC nipa wonu so ni din de Nana B edi a friend no your friend in Nana Benyi na won say we dey put the Nana Boache ene ya ne Nana B but me madam fu no ono crime say sia wo Uganda o say den o ye adwuma wo civil engineer o say den Nana Benyi but school ni your friend in Nana B. So just for the mere fact say Truecaller identified that the person's name is Nana B doesn't really show say indeed Nana B nankasa. In fact, what's your number now? Matinami do eka say number no Nipakone SNA text and a wodi or no Matinami do atemwa. You there try to send a mobile money to that particular number. You see the name. Let me just show you something. Try to send mobile money to that particular number. You see the name that number is registered in. Now, let me show you right here. Any try to send mobile money at that particular number now. Ediya ebeba eye Michael Amo. So that means that is the person's real name. Nipakone ID card that was their registered number no eye Michael Amo. For all you know, this person is just a fanatic of MPP. Wano ebia ni nickname Nana B. And I just a Truecaller na nickname no, because what Truecaller does and they say me number na me dey ato ase no. Who use Truecaller? Truecaller edin de be ma Melodies TV. And as someone who did computer science in school no, systems, what Truecaller no it does and they say yemfa ne say ye miensa ye nkrofo miensa na ebia asumesi wo me number na asumesi no was store Truecaller wo ne phone so me number no asumesi owo no edin a wo de store ye no, because he has Truecaller name no Truecaller will register it in their database where computer science in Yamana America. Truecaller will register it in their database. It will be fufro frame me number na send Nipakone so wo Truecaller no check database na obehu ne say asumesi store me Melodies number no edin say no de store yenti Truecaller ne be yi edin na asumesi wo de store me din no atre Nipakro no say Melodies onuni enti me number yi me ohwe me number ya. I don't have Truecaller on that this particular. I have Truecaller on one phone on one number, but that number ya at that screen I see MTN number me install Truecaller was so. But se wo frɛ obehu say din ne beba Melodies enya me na me store ye, because obi Ghana ni bi a wa store me number as Melodies a wo no use Truecaller no store ne sa na Truecaller no ehu. And so for all you know no, this particular person, he's not Nana B. Any nickname and will be a store in Nana B na Truecaller na yi ne say Nana B. And so if you take this on the National Youth Organizer, now the Bonechi say and you know, but you see Martinamidu didn't even mention or say one Nana B. That's what Martinamidu said. But the way he put the thing out no, ama nkrofo bebre na ehu ne se eye NPP for Nana B na tese ye boneje so pano e social media enye easy. But this is the name. If you try to send mobile money to the person, edinya ebani. Mobile money so de eye nipa ko ni dia nkasa na ode ye. Edinya eba eye Michael Amo. Nana B so de ye friend no Henry na Naboachi. Me de maka me ne na go school. Inti mesremo obi baga say we de me ne na go school inti na me defending, I'm not defending him. Eye ne kre na ye dey to. Montre mo adwen e comment box ni mo me da se.